That's my buddy.
We're BFFs.
We're BFFs. Said the rear tires are oddly lower than the front.
That's Braxton right there.
Roger's reading the instructions to me. Go ahead, Roger.
Look at this. Oh yeah, that's fun. It don't matter.
It's gonna be a fun day. It's easier to take them off if they break, really.
It's 100% the best way to do it. I don't think steering shifts out right now.
Are you gonna label that?
It's only gonna go in one way.
I see that now. Why do they tell you to label it? That's weird.
Well, if you take it off down there, which is another option.
We're not doing that.
I mean, I don't think you have to.
I don't either. I think that's gonna fold out of the way. Unless that bolt breaks.
Man, why don't you have any penetrating lube on this?
Don't even start. Oh. You want me to go get it?
I want some electric first. Oh, there we go.
Perfect. Look at all that room.
Oh my God.
Extra room for activities.
Why did we wait so long to do that?
I told you to do it. Look at that. That would have made that job so much easier.
Yeah, I'm going tooth by tooth on the ratchet.
If only we would have listened to Roger and his instructions.
It tells you to move that.
It's a hell of an instructional video when we don't follow the instructions.
What? It makes it a lot easier.
It's a boy!
Yay! Just what I always wanted.
Yay! A 15-pound boy.
Look at this dragonfly.
Dragon. Why do they call him dragon?
I don't know what I call him. That thing's huge. Fly away! They're dead. Did you forget a bolt? Oh, nope. It's a girl!
It's a girl!
Yay!
15-pound girl!
Oh, it's a heavy one. Yes, you are. Can I just say, Scotty, I am impressed that not one single manifold bolt broke.
Dude, it's not a fucking GM or a Ford.
But listen,
America.
don't you have to fix like Dodge Rams all the time? Yeah, but they're not the same style exhausts. They don't have a manifold like that.
Maddie, you guys start throwing up the Mopars in the...
Okay. Mopar, baby! I just like spending money, that's why. And that's what you do. That's what you do with a Chrysler product. Okay, your turn. You want to put this on? Slow it down. It's your turn. Thanks. Alright, I can put the starter on. Yes, thank you, Master. You're welcome.
Fuck you up.
Give her one final wipe down there, butt. That sounds good. I like that.
Your wife's gonna hate you.
What's that?
Your wife's gonna hate you.
Oh my God, yeah. I'm just gonna limp it in. I'm just gonna coast to neutral. Not bad there.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be bad unless you're.
I gotta shut my trunk. That sounds good, Scotty.
It smells good.
All that stuff burn off.
Smell-o-vision.
Yeah.